Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of tariffs. From a trade war sparked by chickens to a tariff that might actually lower prices, we're about to uncover the strange and surprising history of tariffs. Our first stop on this tariff tour takes us back to 1964, a time of the Cold War, the Beatles, and significant cultural shifts. Amidst this backdrop, a trade war was sparked by something as simple as poultry. Europe, in an effort to protect its own farmers, slapped tariffs on American chicken, and the U.S. retaliated with a hefty 25% tariff on imported light trucks, including popular models from Europe. This so-called chicken tax is still in effect today, decades later, significantly impacting the prices and availability of pickup trucks in the U.S. market, shaping consumer choices and the automotive industry. Before income tax, the U.S. government funded its operations through tariffs. These taxes on imported goods were crucial for the young nation's economy. Throughout the 19th century, tariffs were the primary source of revenue. They were essential for maintaining the country's financial stability. They paid for infrastructure projects and military expenses, shaping industries and influencing trade relations. Railroads, roads, and the military all benefited from these funds. It's a glimpse into a time when tariffs were the lifeblood of the nation's finances, driving growth and development in a rapidly expanding country. Get ready for your mind to be bent because we're entering the strange world of the Metzler Paradox. This theory by Lloyd Metzler suggests that, under specific circumstances, imposing a tariff could actually lower domestic prices. It all depends on the complex interplay of supply, demand, and international market reactions. Civil War tariffs. The U.S. Civil War saw some of the highest tariffs in U.S. history. The Union, in dire need of funds, turned to tariffs to support its war effort. These tariffs generated income but also impacted prices and trade. The Smoot-Hawley backfire. The 1930s saw the infamous Smoot-Hawley Tariff Act intended to protect American industries during the Great Depression. Instead, it triggered retaliatory tariffs from other countries, exacerbating the depression. This trade war deepened the global economic crisis, a cautionary tale about protectionist trade policies. Trade wars, the tariff battlefield. Remember the chicken tax? Tariffs often escalate into full-blown trade wars. When one country imposes tariffs, others retaliate, creating a tit-for-tat battle that harms global economies. These trade wars disrupt supply chains, increase prices, and create uncertainty in the global market. The price we pay. Tariffs have a real impact on us as consumers. When tariffs are imposed on imported goods, those costs are passed down to us, the buyers. This means higher prices for everything from clothing and electronics to cars and food. Protectionism, shield or shackle. Tariffs can protect domestic industries from foreign competition. By making imported goods more expensive, tariffs give domestic producers a competitive edge. However, protectionism can lead to higher prices for consumers, reduced innovation, and retaliation from other countries. Tariffs in your shopping cart. Tariffs affect a wide range of everyday items, from clothes to electronics. These trade measures have a ripple effect throughout the global economy, influencing the choices we make as consumers. Tech wars and modern tariffs. In our interconnected world, technology plays a pivotal role in global trade, and tariffs have found their way into the tech sector. These tariffs are not just numbers on a spreadsheet, they have real-world consequences that affect businesses and consumers alike. Recent tariffs and tech disputes impact prices and availability of smartphones, computers, and semiconductors. This means that the devices we rely on daily could become more expensive and harder to find, affecting everything from personal use to business operations. These modern-day tariff wars have the potential to reshape the tech landscape, influencing innovation and access to cutting-edge technologies. As countries impose and respond to tariffs, the ripple effects can lead to shifts in market dynamics and technological advancements. The weird world of tariffs. From chicken-fueled trade wars to tariffs that might lower prices, we've journeyed through the strange history of these economic policies. Remember, tariffs aren't just about numbers. They're about the complex interplay of economics, politics, and the choices we make as consumers and global citizens. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Your support helps us continue to bring you deep dives into the topics that shape our world. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.